Hello dear students, my name is Devashish Pardi, M.Tech Computer Science and Engineering from Department of BCA, JKT Mahavidyalaya. In the last class, we have already discussed about different types of number systems. Mainly, we have four types of number systems are possible. They are decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system, hexadecimal number system. In the decimal number system, the base is always 10 and the digits are used 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 digits are used. In case of binary number system, the base is 2. Only two numbers are used, 0 and 1. In case of octal number system, the base is 8 and the different numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. In case of hexadecimal number system, the base is 15 and the different numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then instead of 10, we will use A. In place of 11, we will use B. In place of 12, we will use C. In place of 13, we will use D. In place of 14, we will use E. In place of 15, we will use F. Okay, instead of writing 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15, we will write A, B, C, D, E and F. So in case of decimal number, 10 digits are used. In case of binary number, 2 digits are used. In case of octal numbers, 8 digits are used. In case of hexadecimal number, 16 digits are used. Today we will discuss some conversions of number system. Decimal to other number system, other number system to decimal number system, shortcut method for binary to octal, octal to binary, hexadecimal to binary, binary to hexadecimal. So let us start today's class, how to make the conversions. So first we will discuss how to convert decimal to other base system. Other base system means decimal to binary, decimal to octal, decimal to hexadecimal number system. Okay, so what are the different steps? Step 1, divide the decimal numbers to be converted by the value of new base. Okay, that means if I can convert decimal number 29 to binary number system, then divide 29 by 2. Okay, divide the decimal number, let us consider 29, to be converted by the value of the new base. New base is 2. Decimal to binary means new base is 2. So 29 divided by 2. Get the remainder from step 1 as the rightmost digit of new base number. Divide the quotient of the previous divide by the new base. Record the remainder from step 3 as the next digit of the new base number. Repeat step 3 and 4, getting reminders from right to left until the quotient becomes 0 in step 3. The last remainder thus obtained will be the most significant digit of the new base number. What is the meaning of these steps? Let us take one simple example. Convert the decimal number 29 to its binary equivalent. Okay, so how can I convert? Now since we can convert decimal to binary number system, and binary means 2, so 29 divided by 2. Okay, what is the result? Now 29 divided by 2, the result is 14. And what is the remainder? Remainder is 1. Next, this result is 14. So 14 divided by 2, result is 7. And what is the remainder? 0. 2 7s are 14, the remainder is 0. Then 7 is divided by 2, result is 3 and remainder is 1. 2 3s are 6, so remainder is 1. 7 minus 6, 1. Then 3 by 2, result is 1, remainder is 1. 2 1s are 1, 3 minus 2, 1, remainder is 1. And 1 divided by 2, result is 0, remainder is 1. Okay. So when I write the result, I can write the result in reverse order. That means from bottom to top. 1 1 1 0 1. This is the result. From bottom to top. 1 1 1 0 1. Okay. If anyone can ask you, convert 29 to octal number system, then instead of dividing 2, I can divide here 8. Then convert 29 to hexadecimal system, that means 29 to 16. Decimal to binary divided by 2. Decimal to octal divided by 8. Decimal to hexadecimal divided by 16. Okay. Always remember, in case of decimal to other number system, the result will be taken from bottom to top manner. Okay. Next, other base system to decimal. Other base system to decimal means binary to decimal, octal to decimal, hexadecimal to decimal. So what is step 1? Determine the column value of each digit. Column value means positional value. Okay, in the last class we have already discussed about position of a number, whether it is in unit place, tenth place, thousand place, 100 place, like that. Determine the column value of each digit. This depends on the position of the digit and the base of the number system. Okay, multiply the obtained column value in step 1 by the digits in the corresponding columns. Step 3, sum the products calculated in step 2. The total is the equivalent value in decimal. Let us consider convert this binary number to decimal number. Okay, other number system to decimal number system. Other number system means, let us consider binary number. Binary numbers means it consists of only 0 and 1. Okay, the number consists of only 0 and 1. So it is called as binary number system. How can I convert this binary number system to decimal number system. Okay, so let us consider how can I change. Now always remember decimal to binary. We have already discussed. Decimal to binary means divided by 2. Binary to decimal means multiplied by 2 to power. See, let us consider this number 11101. How can I convert it into decimal number system? See, first it is 1. After 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 numbers are there. So I can write here 1 multiplied by 2 to power 4. After 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 numbers are there. So here I can write 2 to power 4 plus 1 is there, 1. After 1, 1, 2, 3 numbers are there. So 2 to power 3 plus this 1, 1. After 1, 2 numbers are there. So 2 to power 2 plus 0. After 0, only 1 number is there. 2 to power 1 plus 1 into, after 1, no digit is there. So 2 to power 0. Okay. So 2 to power 4 is 16. 2 to power 3 is 8. 2 to power 2 is 4. This is 0 multiplied by any number, that is 0. 2 to power 0 is always 1. Anything 2 to power 0 is equal to 1. M to power, in generally, M to power 0 is equal to 1. M to power 0 is equal to 1. So 2 to power 0 means 1. If I add all this number, this will be the 29 result. Similarly, when I convert octal number to decimal number, multiplied by 8 to power, hexadecimal number to decimal number, multiplied by 16 to power. Okay. Next thing is other base system to non-decimal system. Okay, base is different and we will convert it to non-decimal system. Let us consider 25 to binary. 25 is a octal number that will be converted to binary. That means other base system to non-decimal. Binary is non-decimal number system. So how can I convert? Now first convert the original number to a decimal number, then convert decimal number to new base number. Okay, so first convert it to decimal, then decimal to new base number. Let us consider one simple example. This is a octal number 25. How can I, why I am saying that this is a octal number system? Now first thing is base is 8. Base is 8. Then the numbers are from 0 to 7. So how can I convert? Now first convert this octal number to decimal number system. Octal to decimal means multiplied by 8 to power. I have already told you. So 2 into 8 to power 1. Why it is 8 to power 1? Now because after 2 only one number is there. Plus 5 into 8 to power 0. Why it is 8 to power 0? Now after 5 no number is there. This 8 is just base. Okay. So 8 to power 0. So this is 16 plus 5, 21. That means 21 is the decimal equivalent of this octal number 25. But what I can want? Now I want 25 to binary number system. So first convert 25 to decimal, that is 21. Then 21 to binary. How can I convert? Now by dividing by 2. 21 divided by 2, 10, remainder is 1. Then 10 divided by 2, result is 5, remainder is 0. Then 5 divided by 2, result is 2, remainder is 1. Then 2 divided by 2, result is 1, remainder is 0. Then 1 divided by 2, result is 0, remainder is 1. Then how can I write the result from bottom to top? 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 1. This is the binary equivalent of the corresponding decimal number 25. First, I will convert 25 to decimal, that is 21, then 21 to binary. Okay. Then I will discuss some shortcut methods for conversion of binary to octal number, octal to binary number, binary to hexadecimal number, hexadecimal to binary. First procedure is you can convert it to decimal number, then change it to new base number. Binary to octal means binary to decimal, decimal to octal. Second step, there is a shortcut method. Divide the binary digit into groups of 3. Whole number can be divided from 3 digits, starting from right to left. Starting from right, you can proceed from right to left. Convert each group of 3 binary digit to 1 octal digit. Okay, let us consider one small example. Binary number 10101. Okay, group of 3 bit from right. 101. This is one group. Then 0 1. 2 numbers are there, so I can add one extra 0. Okay. Then 0 1 0. That is 2 in binary. Sorry, 2 in decimal. 101. That is 5 in decimal. So 10101 means 25 to decimal. Binary to octal means convert, group the whole number into 3 digits from right to left. Okay. Then octal to binary. Convert each octal digit to a 3-digit binary number. The octal digit may be treated as a decimal for this conversion. Combine all the resulting binary groups into a single binary number. So see one small example, 25. So what is the binary equivalent of 2? Now we know that 2 means 10, but I can write it as a 3-digit. So 2 can be written as 0 1 0, and we have already know that 5 means 101. Okay. Then binary to hexadecimal number. How can I convert binary to hexadecimal number? In case of binary to octal, 3 numbers can be considered as a one group, but binary to hexadecimal means 4. Divide the binary digit into group of 4, starting from right. Convert each group of 4 binary digit to one hexadecimal symbol. Okay. 10101. So first starting from right to left. Okay, right to left. Right to left means 1010. Okay, 1010. Then only one number is there, 1. So add 3 zeros in the left. 0001, 0101. Okay, this is considered as 1 and this is considered as 5. 1 means 1 and 101 means that is a 5. Then hexadecimal to binary. Convert each hexadecimal digit to a 4-digit binary number. The hexadecimal digits may be treated as decimal for this conversion. Combine all the resulting binary groups into a single binary numbers. Okay, 15. So first 1 means 0001. 1 means 0001 and 5 means we know that 101, but I can write in 4 groups, so I can add one extra 0. 1 means 1 2 3 4, 0001, and 5 means 0101. This is the corresponding binary number of the hexadecimal number. 15 means 0001 0101. Okay, so this is the conversion. If you have any doubt, then please ask me. Thank you.